Well, hello everyone and welcome back. Someone found these trucks on a Monster Jam personnel's website. Usually they have portfolios of the work they've done, and someone found one of these artists' websites, and he happened to be the one who created and worked on the Fire and Ice trucks. So on his portfolio, he had all the information for Fire and Ice, and underneath all that information, he had some renders of the toy line, which actually had Mix 2 and Mix 3 of the Fire and Ice singles in it. So I have these pictures here today. There's not many of them, so it's going to be a little short video. However, I do have some info on what these are and what's coming with them. I can't confirm what's coming in Mix 3, but I can confirm the rest of Mix 2, which I have done on Facebook and Instagram. So we'll talk about those right now. The first one we're looking at right here is Son of a Digger Fire. So this will be Team Fire's Son of a Digger in Mix 2. That will be out in fall 2019. I'm not sure what the exact release date is, but it will be fall 2019. So taking a look at this Fire Son of a Digger, I personally think there could have been a little more detail on the actual wrap itself. Fire Gravedigger was really great because it manipulated the original design. There's not much going on here besides an orange hue. Although I do love Son of a Digger, I think it maybe would have worked better in Team Ice because, of course, it already has fire. But it would have been blue, so I guess that's why they went with the red Fire. Or obviously Fire is red, so they went with the Fire team. But I think it's cool. It was one I was looking forward to more than the others, but now that I see it, I'm not as impressed. But I still think it's pretty cool, and I love that it's in Fire and Ice. So I hope that they run this body at All-Star Challenge if Ryan Anderson is voted in or chosen by the team captains. So there's Fire Son of Digger, again, in Mix 2 singles for fall 2019, so this will be a 2019 truck. The next truck over is Great Clips Mohawk Warrior Fire. So this is Team Fire's Great Clips Mohawk Warrior. I did confirm this, again, like I said, on Instagram and Facebook. So this is what the Great Clips Mohawk Warrior Fire looks like. It has, of course, the first thing I want to note is the corrected Mohawk. As far as I know, this is going to have the corrected Mohawk, which was planned a while back. So they're not going to use the backwards facing Mohawk, it looks like, anymore. It looks like they're going to start using the neutral one, which was, of course, planned for next year, but now I guess they're going to use it in the singles Fire and Ice truck. So there it is there with the Fire look. I love how simple this one is because it's not super overdone. You can see the pinstriping is redone in yellow and orange. Also, there's a red hue around the bottom of the truck, but nothing really changed besides the glasses, the logo, of course, the addition of the Monster Jam Fire logo, and then, of course, the hair with the fire texture. This is not the official texture for the hair for next year, but this is actually a fire texture neutral hair just for the Fire Great Clips Mohawk Warrior. So you can see there's fire coming off it. And, of course, it has the red frosted tips on the hair. So that's pretty cool. Very punk rock. And I love how it matches up with the truck's style. So there it is right there. Great Clips Mohawk Warrior Fire team. And I, of course, hope this one also makes the All-Star Challenge because it would be awesome to see a real-life frosted tips Mohawk Warrior racing down the track. So that's really cool, and it's actually my favorite of Mix 2's Fire trucks. So there's the Great Clips Mohawk Warrior Fire. And next up is Pirate's Curse in the last Fire truck from Mix 2. Unfortunately, I do not have any ice trucks from Mix 2 to show you, but I will talk about what they are. But for now, here's Fire Pirate's Curse. Another disappointment because I thought that they may have gone with like a fiery skull, kind of like the top of the Fire Gravedigger where there's no eyeballs or anything. It's just kind of like a skull with flames. It's very similar on this Pirate's Curse. It just has an eyeball, which doesn't really look well, to me at least. I think they should have taken out the eyeball because, of course, the eyeball probably wouldn't be there if it's burning. So there's the Pirate's Curse. Of course, you can see the jacket has been retextured with fire. The entire skull is just this flaming skull. You got the red hat, black bandanas, and yellow sword and dagger. Of course, you can see there the bandana and hat have switched colors. Of course, the original being black hat and red bandana. I think it looks really cool, though. I love that they're using Pirate's Curse. It was one of my predictions when I first heard that they're going to do a Mix 2 line. And then, of course, they told me that they're going to do the Mix 2 line, so I knew that this was coming out. And then, of course, the ice trucks. I knew about Ice Earthshaker because I have this little photo of it here. It's very, very hard to see, but it was at World Finals 20. I got to hold it. I got to look at it. And that's when I kind of asked around. I was like, okay, there's a Mix 2 Fire and Ice then. And they were like, yes, we're doing Mix 2 and Mix 3. So there's Ice Earthshaker. It is probably my favorite ice truck, although I have not seen Ice Bakugan Dragonoid, which is the second ice truck for Mix 2. So basically what they're doing is they're going to do 3 fire and 2 ice in this mix, as opposed to Mix 1, which had 3 ice and 2 fire. So it balances out the team, and then Mix 3 will have 4, 2 fire, 2 ice. But the Ice Dragonoid I don't have a render of, and I don't have a render of Ice Earthshaker, but those will be coming in this Mix 2 assortment for fall 2019. And then Mix 3, which is 2020, will include, this is the only truck I have from it, but this will include Soldier Fortune Black Ops Fire, and then 3 other trucks, which I know what they are, but I cannot confirm what they are because it kind of reveals a couple trucks that I'm not allowed to talk about yet. So Mix 3 Fire and Ice, this is a great little sneak peek at what's to come, and I will be honest, this is actually much better than I expected. I heard that they're going to do the Black Ops Fire when I was talking to the designers at the team meetup in World Finals, but I did not see any pictures of this specific truck. I saw the other 3 trucks, but I never saw Soldier Fortune Black Ops Fire, so there it is right there. I'm very happy with how it turned out. I'm not sure why they decided to do Black Ops, but it does look very cool. I guess it's to balance out Soldier Fortune versus Soldier Fortune Black Ops. So there it is right there with the dark maroon color, of course the flames coming out of the vents, and very limited design work on this, but I still love how it looks and I'm very happy with it. It will be again with the Mix 3 singles assortment from Fire and Ice Walmart exclusives in spring 2020, and that will be the last Fire and Ice mix that we will receive from Spin Master. So that's the Soldier Fortune Black Ops Fire, and then we have one more truck which I really can't tell you where it's coming from. I think I know where it's coming from, but I forget exactly where. This is the Gravedigger Ice, Team Ice's Gravedigger. It will be released. It's not just a random render that's just floating around space. I believe it's from a playset. I know we saw images of a playset way back when Spin Master was first seen in prototype form. We saw render images of the convention that they were at in Las Vegas. It did show a Fire and Ice playset. I personally cannot confirm or deny if there's a Fire and Ice playset. I can't even remember if there is one, but this will be somewhere. It's not going to be double packs. It's not going to be in single packs, so it's probably got to be in the playset that we saw. Of course, we did see Ice Gravedigger in that playset. That tiny little image that we had of it way back in, I believe, May 2018, or maybe a little later than that. But there's Ice Gravedigger. Unfortunately, I can't tell you exactly where it's going to be, but it will be coming out. I personally think this is much better than the Fire design, although I love the Fire design. I love how the blue looks on Gravedigger. Very experimental, and I love the ice look as well. Of course, you can see here, I'll zoom in so you can see the snow on the mountains, of course, the snowfall in the background. I love the flames, how they're kind of frozen, but they still have the flame effect. And you can see that there's some snow on the house, on the tombstones. Of course, the Ice Gravedigger logo looks awesome. I can't see the roof, unfortunately, so we'll have to wait to see that. But you can see they're very cool. And I like how they use the regular Spin Master colors on the logo. So that's the Ice Gravedigger, and that's the Fire and Ice Mix 2, Mix 3, and I guess playset sneak peeks. I will tell you guys about these. So I can't wait to see these when they come out. I should be reviewing the fall assortment Mix 2 Fire and Ice soon. Also, there will be no more new double packs. They might be repeats, but there will be no more new double packs coming out for those people who wanted to know. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. This is Ryan Monster Jam OCD, signing out.